Hello dear students, welcome back in English class. I hope you will be fine. Okay, dear children, today we will learn rule number 2 of singular plural. Okay, that is, we will put es in the end, double s, x, ch, s, z, sh. जिनके वर्ड में एंड में ये डबल एस एक्स सी एच एस जेड एस एच आएगा, उनके एंड में हम आगे ई एस लगाएंगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? प्लूरल. आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जाम्पल लाइक फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डबल एस, ग्लास. नाउ वी विल पुट ई एस इन द एंड, then this word becomes plural. Glass, singular. For a single glass we use glass, and for many glass we use glasses. Another example of X, box. Now in the end we will put es. For many boxes we use boxes, for a single box, box. Okay, another example of ch, beach. Now we will put es in this word, then this word will become plural. Beach, beaches. S. Example of S, bus, buses. Z. Now Z, walls. W-A-L-T-Z, walls. Example of sh, dish, dishes, D-I-S-H-E-S. Now these are example I have given you. Glass, es we will put in the end of glass, then it will become glasses, and this word is now plural. Box, boxes. Beach, beaches. Bus, buses. Walls, walls. Dish, dishes. Okay, dear students, have you understood it? If you have any question regarding this, you may ask your subject teacher on WhatsApp group. Dear children, now this is your homework. You have to write plural of these words. Wash, watch, bush, match, cross, fox, push. Now you will write plural of these words. Along with that, you have to write 10 other words from your side. Okay, dear children, I hope you will complete your task on time. Till that, take care. We'll meet in next class. Bye-bye.